Pure kanchipuram soft silk saree, double vaarppu. A very beautiful low rise pattern, trendy sarees, an excellent color, a black majestic saree, complete black one, beautiful color. A no contrast concept. The pallu is also black with a very elegant diagonal weaving design. Here the zari used is copper mixed with silver to get an excellent tone, and the tone is very beautiful and visible on this black color. And we have the pallu color, plain blouse piece with the pallu tassels already made. The buttas are square shaped buttas in a floral pattern, and the number of buttas increases and then decreases to make a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Excellent one. Copper zari on black, a majestic black saree, completely handcrafted one with authentic Silkmark. Pure kanchipuram soft silk saree, double vaarppu, a borderless, a very beautiful and unique collection. Excellent saree color, very elegant color here, low rise concept, exclusive design sarees, dual tone color. Peach is mixed with pink to get a beautiful tone here, peachy pink color with a very elegant gold jari work buttas, gold and silver mixed to get a beautiful light gold fade color tone to the zari work. And you can see the beautiful zari. It is a square shaped zari and it is weaved in a beautiful way that the number of buttas increases and it decreases, makes up a low and rise and a triangle when it is draped. Borderless one completely. This complete saree is in single color. Even the pallu and the blouse piece are in the same color. The pallu is a very simple, elegant zari work design. And we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. An excellent and exclusive collection. Trendy one with authentic silk. Pure kanchipuram soft silk saree, double vaarppu. A very beautiful, classy collection here. A trending, most wanted design. Very elegantly made with beautiful colors. We have a lavender color here, light lavender, beautiful shade. Complete sarees in single color. Even the pallu, and the pallu have a very elegant gold jari work, very simple yet elegant pallu. And we have gold jari work, beautiful design, floral pattern buttas. Buttas are in square shape and it is in gold jari, the Silkmark gold jari used here. It increases in numbers and decreases, weaved in a very beautiful way, and it forms a triangle when it is wrapped. Elegant, finely handcrafted saree. You can see the fine finish with plain blouse piece. Excellent combo for the pastel lovers with authentic Silkmark. Pure kanchipuram soft silk saree, double vaarppu. A very beautiful collection, a trendy collection too. A low rise pattern in a single color. The complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in single color. And here we have a beautiful brown and maroon mixed color. Dark brown we can call, a coffee shade brown. Red and black is mixed to get this color. Very elegant one. The pallu is very simple yet very elegant. Diagonally zari worked pallu. Beautiful one with buttas in a very different way. Weaved in a very different way. Square shaped floral design buttas using gold jari, and it is done in a triangular pattern. It increases and then decreases and makes a triangle when it is draped. Beautiful one. Ever trendy, ever demanded design. Excellent color, in same color, pallu also given. A pallu color blouse piece, very beautiful one with authentic Silkmark. Pure kanchipuram soft silk saree, double vaarppu. A very beautiful collection, low rise pattern, trendy, elegant collection in a beautiful dark brown shade, choco brown color. Beautiful one, very dark in nature, and the buttas are very clear on this dark base color. You can see the beautiful design buttas, excellently handcrafted. Copper and silver jari is mixed and used, which gives a beautiful shade to the butta design, and it is done in a pattern that the number of buttas increases and then decreases, and it forms a triangle when it is draped. Very elegant, classic collection here. And the pallu is also a very beautiful design, simple and elegant pallu. Same color, no contrast concept, completely in single color. And the blouse piece is also plain in same body color. Very elegant one, completely handcrafted with authentic Silkmark. Pure kanchipuram soft silk saree, double vaarppu. A very beautiful and trendy collection here. An excellent color combo. Here we have a sandal color saree, sandal half white. Very beautiful color, and we have a very different and contrast butta design that is done using neem jari concept. silk threads, blue silk threads is mixed with gold jari to get a beautiful tone, neem jari concept, glittery ones. That is done in a beautiful way that the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which forms a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Excellent collection, and we have a beautiful pallu also. It's a simple and elegant pallu in gold jari work, completely in single color. The body, the pallu as well as the blouse piece are in single color. Completely handcrafted, beautiful sarees, a classy collection with authentic Silkmark. Pure kanchipuram soft silk saree, double vaarppu. A very beautiful low-rise pattern sarees, excellently done using neem jari concept. Beautiful single color sarees in a pastel shade. We have a sandal mixed half-white color. Excellent color saree with gold jari work in the pallu. An elegant, simple pallu, yet very beautiful. With plain blouse piece, the pallu tassels are already made, and we have a very beautiful buttas that is done in a neem jari concept. Neem jari is nothing but the gold jari is mixed with black threads to get a beautiful glittery buttas in square shape, and the buttas are weaved in a very beautiful way that it increases and decreases in a triangular pattern when it is draped. An excellent saree in a pastel shade color with authentic Silkmark. Pure kanchipuram soft silk saree, double vaarppu. A very beautiful low-rise pattern, excellent design sarees in a single color. Here we have a dual tone color, copper sulphate blue, almost a sea blue. It is sea blue is mixed with dark royal blue to get a beautiful dual tone. Two shades of blue we can see. A very elegant color, rare color too. The pallu, the body and the blouse piece are in same color, single color concept, no contrast. And we have a beautiful diagonally weaved design in the pallu, gold jari used for it. Simple and beautiful pallu with the buttas, square shaped buttas, floral pattern weaved very beautifully in a triangular pattern. The buttas numbers increases and then decreases to make a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Excellent color, beautiful design, elegant saree with authentic Silkmark. Pure kanchipuram soft silk saree, double vaarppu. A very beautiful, trendy collection. The excellent color here. A beautiful goldish saree, mustard yellow and brown mixed to get a beautiful gold here. Almost a bright gold color with copper jari work, puttas, copper and silvers mixed to get the beautiful tone to the zari. And here we have same color, the body color pallu with diagonal weaving design in copper and silver jari mixed work. Same color pallu blouse piece as well. And we have a beautiful butta design, that is a square shaped butta, floral type, which is increases in number and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Beautiful low rise pattern, excellent color, very elegant one with authentic Silkmark. Completely handcrafted saree.